Tags and keywords. Tags and keywords help people find you and know what to expect when they visit. This section is optional, but it can help a user browsing or searching within the Wishtrip app locate your site. And it can help a visitor within your site find the right attractions and activities for them. First, accessibility. Let people know if your site or a specific spot is accessible and suitable for visitors with particular needs. Second, facilities. Check all that apply. You can mark as many as you wish or none at all. This creates tags for search filters. They're not visible to visitors looking at your site, but they can be selected to help visitors narrow their choices down. So if you check waterfalls, for example, a visitor looking for sites with waterfalls will be brought right to you. Third, keywords. These will also not be visible to visitors at your site, but they help identify you to visitors using text searches. When coming up with keywords, think about the types of words your target visitor might be searching for in any language they're likely to use. Include your name and common misspellings of your name. Don't forget to include the attractions, activities, and content that you're known for. Keywords are not case sensitive, but you may want to include hyphenated and non-hyphenated variations.